Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick and easy back to school makeup tutorial for those of you who tend to run late a lot, or for those of you who just might like to spend a little bit less time getting ready and a little bit more time sleeping. Now I know how hard it is to get up super early in the morning, like 6 a.m., 5 a.m., and sometimes even earlier and get ready, especially coming from summertime because you're used to snoozing your alarm and sleeping until whenever you want. But sadly, we can no longer do that. Now for me, waking up in the morning wasn't really a problem. Like I could wake up fine, but I just couldn't like function the same. Like I would be so sluggish and just like whatever. You guys seen all my get ready with me videos on the first day of school whenever I'd have to wake up super early. For those of you who don't know, I am a cyber student for my senior year. Thankfully, I don't have to get up super early in the morning anymore. But for those of you who do, I'm so sorry and I feel for you and I understand the struggle. So I want to help you guys out with this really quick and easy routine. For if you're not the best at makeup, this is really simple, or if you just don't have a lot of time to spend on your makeup in the morning, this is really good too while still looking like you put lots of effort. This routine includes under 5 makeup products while still looking like you have a full face of makeup on. Now, as you guys can already tell, I did my brows last night. I mentioned in almost every makeup video that I do my brows at night and I sleep in them, so when I wake up in the morning, they're already done. Like I did not touch them this morning. I woke up and they were like this. So, yeah, it's just a really good time saver to do your brows at night, because if you have a good brow gel on, they stay on, they don't smear, and you're good to go, and that's already done. Even if you wake up as late as can be and you don't have any time to put any makeup on, you still got your brows on. You could like pop on some mascara on the bus or something. Even like right after I get out of the shower at nighttime, I always immediately put my eyebrows on. I mentioned that I always have my eyebrows on every single time of the day. Especially for school, it's just such a time saver to already have your brows done when you wake up. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go in with some concealer. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte All Day Concealer, and I love this one in particular because it's super full coverage, so it looks like you have like a foundation base, but you actually are just wearing this on like spots where you want to conceal and make it look flawless. I mainly just use this on my eyelids because this is a trick that I usually do when I want to make it look like I spent a lot of time on my makeup, because having like a cleaned up brow and a flawless eye base looks like you spent lots of time on it, if you know what I'm saying. For today, I'm actually going to spot conceal just a little bit. This is the routine that I've actually been going to a lot recently, and my skin's usually really good in the summertime, so I stayed away from any face makeup in the summer. But now, since the seasons are changing, I want to change my routine as well with like the weather. So I usually tend to have a little bit more spots come up throughout the fall and winter time. But like I mentioned, something that's really good about this routine is it's not really necessary and it's different for every person. Like if you don't have any spot acne that you don't want to conceal, you can just totally skip that step and move on. I'm then going to go in with this e.l.f. setting powder, and this is just to make sure that concealer doesn't crease or come off throughout the day. You can just quickly apply it with a sponge and then dust it off with a brush. A tip that I have for you guys, if you know that you're going to be running late or not going to have a lot of time to get ready, have your makeup products like on your desk. Like if you have IKEA drawers or something like that, or your makeup like stored somewhere else, like not in reach, make sure you have like a bin or something that includes your everyday makeup, so you don't have to like go searching across like your room for one certain product. And this is also kind of like a natural makeup tutorial as well. So after I conceal and powder, the next step is highlighter, which this is really crucial in this routine if you want to make it look like you have a full face of makeup done, because highlighter is usually the last step to doing your makeup. So it really kind of finalizes a full face, which will make it look like you have lots of effort done. And I just put that on the inner corners of my eyes, the brow bone, and a little bit on the cheeks and nose. I like to put it on the face just so it looks like I have like face makeup on when you actually don't. And even if you're not going for like a full face of makeup look, it just makes your natural skin look really healthy and glowy. And then the last thing is obviously just some good mascara. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. This is a really good lengthening and volumizing mascara. It does 2-in-1. You can obviously use whatever mascara you personally like most, but I would just say go for a really dramatic mascara because it kind of distracts from not having lots on your face. Unless, like I said, you want to go for like a natural kind of look where you could just do like a little bit of mascara. And a reason why you want to pick a really thickening mascara is because since you don't have time to sit there and keep putting layers on, it kind of makes it look like with a couple of coats like you sat there and built it up. And if you have a little bit extra time or want to go in with just an extra step, I would suggest using some type of like facial mist or setting spray. I like to use something that's a little bit more hydrating to give my face a glow, so I'm using the Aloe and Rose Water Face Mist by Pearlescence. Again, totally optional, but it makes your skin look really nice naturally. So that was it for my natural / quick back to school makeup tutorial. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below what grade you're in. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all of my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.